Hi, I'm Rodonna from boysandgirlshairstyles.com. Today we have Ashlyn and she wants bangs. So, as you can see, she's got just long hair here. So, we thought it would be really fun to show you guys how we are going to cut bangs into her hair. Okay, I'm just going to wet that down. We're going to kind of comb from here. We're not going clear back. We obviously don't want bangs clear back. So just pick your spot of how thick you want the bang. And then that's where you're going to comb the hair forward, just straight forward. And my suggestion would be to start out with, less bangs. Then if you feel like you need a little bit more, then do more. Because you can't grow it back real fast. So I would just do a little bit at a time. So, Ashlyn, we're going to do about that many for now. Okay, so just make sure that their head is just straight, okay? And then comb this down. I'm going to come in on an angle and barely shut my scissors, my shears, just back and forth and come off to this side. Just come over in a straight line. And on this, I like to hold it straight down. If you was to hold them up, let me show you. If you was to hold them up this way, when you let them down, the top layer is a little bit shorter. So if you want that, you could do that also. But I'm just going to come down. Like I said, I'm just going to open and shut my shears. Cute, okay. Now we're going to come over this side. I'm going to come in about here. Open and shut, open and shut. Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
And be careful not to poke him. Sorry. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to come on this side. And I think we'll go a little bit shorter right through here. Oh, that's looking cute. Okay, now what I want to do is just dry them, and we'll see how they look dry. And then if we want to cut some more, we will. If you want them a little bit poofier, you could use a round brush. I'm going to use my fingers on Ashlyn's today. Okay, there she goes. If you want, you can also take, let's see, the distortion.
Hold it?
Yeah, hold up how much they cut off.
Yeah, that's a lot of hair. But that'll be a fun change. That's another thing, is if people don't want to take the length off because they want long hair, this is a great way to change up the style. Because a lot of people want change, but they don't want the length off. So this is a great way to change that up. You can just separate those just a tiny bit. And then just spray it. And you're done.